In today's lesson, we are going to be doing a page curl, and we will also be working with layers. So what we want to do is go get our images. This is the background that we're going to be using, and this is the main image. Okay, what we want to do is we want to crop the main image to the same size as the background layer. If you click on the background layer, it will tell you down here the size of the image. As you can see, it's 500 by 372. So what you want to do is get the area of the picture that you want to use, crop it, and then go to Image, Resize, and I already have the figures in there. You would type 500 in the top, 372 in the height, and then hit OK. And as always, you want to sharpen that. So go to Sharpness and Sharpen once. And then you want to copy the main image over onto the background. You want to paste it as a new layer. Okay, and we're done with this one. We don't need this main image right now. Okay, on the background layer, what you want to do is you want to take the top layer, which is that main image, and you want to just click on Overlay. Okay, now as you can see, that kind of adds some depth to it, puts her in the picture, but her face and her hand is kind of covered up. So what you want to do is go back to that main image, get it, and then as you can see what I did, I just kind of cropped out just her face area, the upper part. And then what I did was I copied, pasted as new layer. And then you want to move that over exactly in the same place that she is. To be able to see that, lower your opacity down so you can kind of get her in the exact same spot. Okay? Once you do that, raise that back up, and then it just takes some erasing. I'm not going to go through the whole process because that does take a lot of time in trying to show you that process. But like before, just go around the image and clean all that up. And then once you get done with that, what you're going to have is an image that will look like this one, where she's standing out more so. And it looks like the background is just kind of all the way around her. Okay, and once you get finished with that, you want to merge all the layers. So go to Layers, Merge, Merge All, Flatten. And then you can go to the Effects, it has Page Curl, just click on Page Curl. And as you can see, you can change that any way that you want to. You can also change the color. In mine, I have the pink. And once you pick out the color that you want, the way you want it to look as far as how the curl looks, just hit OK. And as you can see, it curls the page over. And that is the lesson for today. Quick and simple.